don't watch that. Cause if it's something I saw rock that. And if it's on top, you know I got that. Come through with a big baseball bat. Like Lord, don't let me get old school. 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 Stop running with that brother, you don't need him. He's a pussy, yo, he's a chief league. Stop running with that brother, you don't need him. He ain't got your back if it's beef league. Why you running with that pussy, yo? Moving with that pussy, yo. He's a pussy, yo. Show you he's a pussy, yo. He's always been a pussy, yo. With that pussy, yo. Always been a pussy, yo. That's that brother always something like he's drunk. Sticky fake fuck, always running to his brother when it's on. He makes the beef. Last one swinging, first one running, making that story. He's a chief, bringing brothers to the end. Acting like putting on the show, trying to talk funny to his friend, but he's really not on the run. They know it, and you know it. Just say he must be seriously wrong. Cause you're partying, he's mad cause you darling. I ain't brother got you shooting, you don't know what you're stopping. You already both have beef with an older bird. You took a spark and it just stood there. Now that way the pussy yo say it ain't true. It started because the women ended with you. And that's the kind of shit that's gonna continue. Yes, it don't matter if what you're into. Start running with that brother, you don't need it. He's a pussy yo, he's a chief league. Start running with that brother, you don't need it. He ain't got your back if it's beef league. Why you running with that pussy yo, moving with that pussy yo? He's a pussy yo, show him he's a pussy yo. He's always been a pussy yo. He's with that pussy yo, he wants to be a pussy yo. He's the biggest star in the sky, but naturally he's gotta make room for the moon every night. Everything's got its time limit, even relationship. Everything's sunny when the friendship's tight. A friend indeed is a friend indeed. A friend with no money and no weed. To flip the script to a ridiculous speed. I make a mess with the ex-friend for the beat. A couple years ago in my long you days, it's a fine radio, I guess it was a phase. This one particular MC man, I held it in my hands and I thought it was the dance. So I started rolling with him.